We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing this Ream water heater. This is provided by the homeowner, straight out of Home Depot. Starting at the top, we did fasten the ceiling bucket. This is existing. It's not our bucket, but it was hanging there. They had just put a couple nails in it, and it was hanging down on one side, which is supporting the old pipe that goes up through the roof bonnet. So we got two screws in from each side, and it's now mounted and actually supporting the pipe that's up above. This single wall vent coming through here is existing. We did not do anything with that, so that's good, and that stays. What we did do is a couple of brand new adjustable 90s right here. You can see them offset and down to the top of the draft diverter, which came with the water heater. 3 screws on each joint, 1, 2, and 3. So it's secure and not moving around. Insulation back there, we had it off just for a little bit because we wanted to monitor the pipe when we turn the water back on. That's Uponor piping. It was a hot water repipe by another plumbing company prior to us coming in. We did replace the supply line on the hot side. That's a Falcon stainless steel connector, so the other end of the joint is going to be right there, so you can see that. So that's ours, and then you've got the Uponor brass adapter there, male brass adapter, to make a transition to our stainless steel connector. So that's good. Down to a brass 90 and a little brass nipple on the side there. We like brass because it flows better than galvanized and it doesn't break down. So at the tank we've got brass. Same thing over here, brass coupling, brass nipple up to a stainless steel connector. And then of course we installed a brand new ball valve right there. It's a Watts quarter turn ball valve. In the event you need to shut this water heater off, you simply quarter turn to the right and then back up. That's on. It's a hard stop. Stainless steel ball in there. So that'll be good when you need to do maintenance on this water heater. Let me step off this ladder real quick. Down here we've got the upper third, we've got the adjustable straps. And then lower third, we've got the adjustable straps. We've got the relief line tied back in. The valve came with the unit. So the pipe comes over, Falcon stainless steel connector, over to the point of connection here, which dumps out right there. We're going to get a bucket and run some water in there and make sure it's flowing correctly. And then the last portion that we did was the gas line. We just turned it and brought it up toward the front more where you could get to it and actually shut it off if you need to. And brand new gas valve, brand new supply line, 1/2 inch OD by 24 coming over to the control valve. Not sure why this thing is installed crooked. This is the way it comes from the factory, and so you can see that the that it's overturned. And I don't know why. I guess it's not a big deal, but that's it. Outside of that, this installation is done. Oh, one more thing. That stand, we built it so you can see 2 layers on the top, and then all the framing is doubled up all the way down to the floor to get this code up off the floor 18 inches. So that was ours too. And now we are done.